Fight.
Hey, so yesterday on the 30th of October, Apple launched the AirPods Pro. They are the first major redesign since the original AirPods back in 2014. And as soon as I saw these, I thought I still owe to myself to test, at least to test these new headphones in my search for the ultimate pair of wireless earbuds. I loved the AirPods. They were a surprise for me after testing out a lot of Bluetooth earphones. I almost gave up and I tried the AirPods, and they have a lot of things going for them that most other earphones don't have, but they have obvious flaws and obvious things missing from them that these are trying to replace, or these are trying to improve upon. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the next couple of days. I should have a review on Monday, maybe Tuesday. I'm gonna do something a little different. It's always difficult to review headphones and pass through the sound in video form, but I have an idea this time to do something different, and I think you guys are going to enjoy it. I also am gonna be running with these for the next 3 to 4 days to get the proper feeling of how I think they fit with the new silicone tips when running in the rain, like it is today, and it has been for about a week here. They are 279 euros, so they are definitely really expensive, but if they do everything correctly, they should be worth it. Well, at least compared to the original AirPods. It's a markup of about 50 euros, and with that you get the silicone tips, the better isolation in the ear, and obviously the new noise cancelling and transparency modes that are supposed to give you AirPods type of conveniency, whilst also being able to give you noise cancelling when you need it most. In a first impressions type of thing, I think the noise cancelling is great at removing low permanent sounds like a computer or fridge or people talking in the distance and public transport and cars. That works pretty great, but I still want to test it out more in some more extreme situations. But at first impressions, I am quite impressed with that. The sound of the headphones, which is the second major complaint with the original AirPods, my first impressions are that they sound slightly better, but most of the improvements come down to the better isolation on the ear canal. If you hear to them both in a quiet environment, I don't think a lot of people are going to be very happy with the major improvement when coming from AirPods to these AirPods Pro. But when you add some noise, it's definitely noticeable, the noise cancelling that you can do, even if it's just passive and you turn the noise cancelling off completely. All of that will come in a full review once I've had more time to play around with these and to run with these and to sleep with these. I'm not going to be sleeping with these, but probably people are. So yeah, that's been it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions type of video. I will come back with a review on Monday or Tuesday, so stick around for that. Maybe subscribe, click that bell thingy to be notified when I upload, and yeah, bye.
Knockout. You